The content on the candidate portal landing page is driven from the recruiting general settings. To make changes to this, your user will must have access to edit the recruiting settings. With this access, you can edit the message candidates receive after application submission, along with the content that appears on the landing page and in the candidate portal footer. Create a test candidate for yourself to view the portal from the perspective of a job seeker. On the profile page is information which is required of every candidate, regardless of what job they're applying for. If you want to add questions to the profile that every candidate will have to fill out, your user will need access to add or edit custom fields, custom lists, and custom links. Then, under the Customizations menu in Settings, choose Custom Fields and select Candidates from the drop-down menu. You can then add custom field questions here for the information you want to collect from all candidates. Add custom field categories to organize the questions. For each job title that will be posted on your portal, you can choose to make education, experiences, references, and other information required. To do this, your user will must have access to add or edit job titles. You can then check off the requirements within the job title under the Recruiting Settings tab. You can also add job-specific questions to the final page on the application for any job on the portal. This is done through the Custom Fields tab on the recruiting piece for every job title. On the final page of the application is how candidates will choose how they heard about your company. To update the options in that list, your user will need access to add or edit the advertising sources. You can then add advertising sources in the recruiting setup settings, which will then appear in the drop-down list on the candidate portal.